Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just a bit of a different one this time in regards to leading up to Christmas this year in 2022. When do you contact your customers? It is the ideal time to contact your customers to let them know what you're doing over the Christmas New Year and encourage them to get that servicing done. But because we've been so busy, and a lot of guys have got a fairly lengthy booking time, and you might be 2 or 3 weeks in advance booked out, so that makes it even more important that we contact our customers nice and early and let them know that there's a bit of a lead time if they want to get that car ready for the Christmas holidays, New Year holidays or whatever, to get in early. So we're probably saying mid-November at the very latest. That's giving you only about 6 weeks. So if you're booked out for 3 weeks in advance, maybe even push it to early November, just to let your customers know that you are busy, got a fairly big lead time, and to get in early and get that booking in. It might be a good idea to get some of that customers in earlier as well, to get them done, well and truly before Christmas, maybe even late October, early November, to get them out the way. So again, we're going to get that Christmas rush, no doubt, leading into Christmas. But if we can contact our entire databases, that's why it's important that we maintain our databases so we can contact our customers. This is the opportune time to do it, to give them the knowledge that you are booked out. You don't want to leave it too late and disappoint some regular long-term customers, which you won't be able to fit them in. And so the best thing is early and information contact with your customers to make sure you let them know what's happening for your Christmas New Year. Hopefully that helps you out. We'll catch you next time.